All right, we got a beautiful Sabre right here. This is a beauty outdoor kitchen. But wait till you see this full 4-season package. This trailer has it all. Upstairs living. It's like new, people. I don't know if somebody just didn't use it or what. Woo! Look at this beauty. I'm not even kidding. This thing has it all. Wine rack, 2 bathrooms, island kitchen. Look at all the storage. Residential appliances. Look at this. They don't even have to go in your bedroom. King bed. Oh my gosh, but wait. Just wait. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Washer and dryer. Tankless water heater. 2 ACs. Look at this beautiful trailer.